Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discuss with you best buy now pay later apps. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're choosing the right buy now pay later and you want to know what's the best out there, well, it all comes down to how you shop and what your current budget looks like. So in this case, there are a few options that you may want to look at here and see if it actually works for you. So first is we have Affirm. So if you want a totally worry-free experience here, Affirm takes the top slot. Now it stands out because it completely eliminates hidden surprises. There are absolutely no fees of any kind, not even late fees, so you can finance high-ticket items up to like $17,000, while also what some of their longer 3 to 6 or 12-month plans do carry interest ranging from like 10 to 30%. So it's always simple interest rather than compounding. So meaning your balance won't snowball out of control. So next is we have PerPay. Now for anyone working to repair damaged credit history, so PerPay takes a unique approach by bypassing traditional credit checks entirely. Now, instead it uses your verified income to establish a personalized spending limit within their built-in marketplace. Now, your orders ship out as soon as your first payment clears on your first or your next payday. Now, the payments match your exact paycheck frequency and are automatically routed via the direct deposit. Now, once you hit 4 months of consistent payments totaling at least like $200, they report your positive history to the credit bureaus, so helping the average user bump their credit history or credit score here up to like 39 points. Now, next is we have what we call PayPal or PayPal Pay in 4. Now, if you are just looking to break up smaller everyday online expenses between like $30 to $1,500, well, PayPal's option is incredibly seamless here. Since it is already integrated into millions of retail sites like Target and Best Buy here, you don't need to jump through new hoops. So if your standard PayPal account is in its good standing, you get an instant approval decision at checkout. So you pay a quarter of the cost upfront, and the remaining 3 installments are automatically cleared every 2 weeks. Now, we have Klarna. Now, when you need to finance massive high-ticket items, Klarna is the most robust tool available right now. While it offers a standard interest-free for payment plan for like a 30-day window, it uniquely features extended financing options, stretching from 6 all the way to 36 months. Now, these longer terms do carry interest, but it makes massive investments highly manageable. Plus, you can generate a virtual card inside their app to use it at absolutely any retailer that accepts credit cards. Now, we also have what we call Split It. Now, Split It is entirely unique because it doesn't issue you a new line of credit or require any formal application or registration. Now, instead, it utilizes the existing credit card you already own, whether it's Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or UnionPay. When you check out, Split It places the pending hold on your card for the full purchase amount, which shrinks as you pay it off over your chosen installment schedule. Now, because you are using your own card, you still rack up your regular credit card rewards, and Split It itself never charges you interest or late fees. Now, we also have what we call Afterpay. Now, Afterpay is highly popular among students or anyone managing a tight budget with limited financial resources. Now, it utilizes a dynamic smart credit limit, so algorithm that automatically assesses whether you can comfortably afford an item before granting instant approval. Now, it splits your retail purchases into 4 interest-free payments over a 6-week span, requiring like 25% on day 1 and the rest every 2 weeks. So they also give you a virtual card to add to your mobile wallet for quick in-store tapping, and they cap the late penalties at like 25% of the initial order total. Now, finally, we have what we call Sezzle. Now, if you want a maximum control over your repayment schedule, so Sezzle, often listed as CE in partner networks, so it is a leader in flexibility. Now, it follows the standard blueprint of charging like a 25% down payment followed by 3 bi-weekly installments. But it includes a incredibly helpful safety valve. It allows you to intentionally reschedule your due dates to buy yourself up to like 2 additional weeks of breathing room. Your very first reschedule per order is completely free, with small fees only kicking in if you need to delay payments multiple times for that same purchase. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.